In the diagram below, we're talking about this diagram OB, or should I say vector OB is equal to 4OA. So where's O? O is right here, B is right there. And they're saying this OB is equal to 4OA, which, if you are thinking nicely, this entails us that if we want to find AB, we can just subtract 1A from the 4 A's that we have. I'll talk about this in details, so let's just keep on moving with the question and see what we're supposed to do. And vector AC is equal to 5AX. So AC is equal to 5AX. M is the midpoint. So this is M, is the midpoint of what? Over BC. It's a midpoint. And vector OA is equal to A. That's OA is equal to A. And BM is equal to B right here. So express in terms of A and B vector AB. So we have to find vector AB. So that's question A. Vector A, B. So for vector AB to be found, we're going to use this statement here, where they said OB, that's vector OB, is equal to 4OA. Okay. So OB is equal to what? 4OA. Do we have OA? Yes, we have. That's A. We're going to say 4A. Okay. This is the entire vector from O to B. So if we have found OB and yet we know that OA is equal to A, so we can just subtract this part from the OB. So we shall say vector A, B will simply be equal to 4A, which is the full of this minus the A that we have. Okay? And when we subtract, we are getting a 3A, meaning the vector of the answer that we are looking for question A is 3A. So we found 3A. From here to there, it's 3A. That's it. Let's check out question B. So for question B, they want us to find vector A, C. So for vector AC to be found, look at this, A, C. So for that AC to be found, we can say this is equal to A, B plus B, C. So one important thing that you need to understand with vectors, if you are standing here at A, you want to go to C, which other route can you use? You can move from A to B, B to C, or from A to O to C. Now, I've decided to get A, B, B, C because I've got the values here to use. This side I don't have, so I can't pass this way because I don't have OC. I don't know if this makes sense. So what is my AB? My vector AB is what I found in the previous question here. That is a 3A. And my BC, it will be a 2B. So I'll talk about this. We've been told in the question that M is the midpoint over BC. So this is the midpoint, and they've given us BM. So our job would just be to say, okay, since we've got BM and this is the midpoint, therefore MC is equal to BM. Even this one is also B because this is the midpoint. So I'll just add these two. They'll give me 2B, which is right here if I want to get BC. And this is my answer. Okay? We go to the next question, which is question C. They want us to express vector OM. So for C, vector OM, this OM right here. Okay? So for OM to be found, we're going to say which way can we move from O to M without, or which other way can we move? If we want to go to M, we can move from O to B, B to M. So that will be O, B plus B, M. Okay? So what is our OB? Our OB is a 4A. Remember here, OB is a 4A. Plus our BM, it's just a B. So we've answered question C. We now go to question 2 where we need to show. Okay, so here, before I erase the board, first let me make you understand something. So they are saying we show, this is question 2, we show that OX is equal to a 2 over 5 4A plus B. So that's what we need. So what we can do here, we can say OX is equal to, from O to X is equal to OA plus AX. Remember, it's all about direction. If at O, you're at O, you want to go to X, you can move from O to A to X. Do we have O A? Yes, we have, it's A. What about AX? Do we have it? We don't have. So we take advantage of this statement to find AX. Okay? So I can erase here so that I do my work from here. So I can say OX is equal to, here it's A. I know OA is A here. But what about AX from here to X? So this is what I'm saying. I can use or take advantage of this statement. I know that AC, vector AC is equal to 5 AX. So do I have AC? Yes, we found AC to be equal to a 3A plus 2B, which is equal to 5AX. Okay. So I'm looking for AX. I'll therefore divide by 5. Divide by 5. This and this will go. AX will simply be equal to a 3A plus 2B over a 5. Okay. So now I have my AX. I can therefore, let me do this. I can therefore say, okay, let me do this so that you understand. I can say OX is equal to, what is my AO? That is A. And then here I'll say plus, this plus. What is my AX? AX is what I found here. That is a 3A plus 2B over a 5. So we simplify here. The lowest common denominator is a 5. There is a 1 here. So 1 into 5, it's a 5. 5 times A, that is a 5A. 5 into 5, it's 1. 1 times 3A plus 2B, that is a 3A plus 2B. We simplify here. This is giving us 8A plus 2B over a 5. We now factorize. What is it that is common here? It's a 2 over a 5. So write 2 over a 5 outside the brackets. So we shall say 2 into 8A, that is a 4A. And then 2 into 2B, that is a B. And this is how it's looking like. It looks like what we have here.